Top 5 Best Automatic Chicken Doors. Automatic chicken door that keeps your chickens safe and secure inside. Link in the description box. The 5 best automatic chicken doors. Whether chickens are housed in an urban backyard or on the family farmstead, their coop has to be opened up every morning and closed again at the end of the day. Rather than scheduling your life around doing the job manually, try using one of these automatic doors while you either catch a few more Z's, attend to other chores, or enjoy a bit of free time for a pleasant change. When users buy our independently chosen editorial selections, we may earn commissions to help fund the reviewed parks. Number 1 Run Chicken Model T40. To the default factory mode unless conditioned. Close and remain closed until the battery is replaced. Now, you are all set. May your days of raising chickens be happy and worry-free. I hope you enjoy using the Run Chicken Coop. Number 2 JVR Timer version. Crazy sale.
So I went ahead and moved to the floor for better visibility. I'll go ahead and put these side rails on. Now I'll try to put the sliding door in. Excellent. Down the door, it's got a pin. It'll go through this side, a spacer, and then a little retaining key. Now at the top position, I'll push this all the way down. You get the long self-tapping screw. Go through there, put in the spacer. I'll push this just most of the way to full extension. I'm going to put it through a test run. So I've got the controller down here and the safety sensor. I'll keep it clear, but to make this move, you push the manual button. This thing's really quiet. Now online it says it's like 37 decibels is all the noise level that it puts out. All right, let's extend. Now I'll break the safety sensor. This thing's supposed to have like a 10-inch range. Okay, it's out of range. So if I mount it here, the actuator shouldn't trip its own sensor. You can place this about 8 inches above the bottom of the door, pointed at a 45-degree angle here. Now that might be an ideal situation too. Well, we'd like to see it work. So the only button I've used for this entire install is manual. So you toggle that, you can go up or down, or put it back in auto. At the moment, I don't have any time-based programming. I plan to do a separate video on programming the timer.
Number 3 Chicken Guard Outdoor/Indoor.
Hi, welcome to the Chicken Guard family, and let's get you started with setting up your automatic door opener. Here's the Chicken Guard unit along with a silicone seal pack, some screws to mount your unit onto the outside of your coop, battery pack, and also the battery holder. In addition, you have your warranty card and your instruction manual. Now you'll see down here there's a little groove. The silicone seal needs to be put into that groove. Without it, sadly, you're going to have water ingress problems. So let's just squeeze that in all the way around there. You will find that you're going to have a little bit of an excess. So just snip it off with a pair of scissors. Very, very straightforward. Okay, stage 2, very straightforward. Batteries into battery pack, but here's one I made earlier. Just connect it straight onto the end like that. One thing to bear in mind, please don't put 9-volt batteries on. It's not designed for 9-volt, so just stick with the 4 AA batteries, okay? Now, when it comes to connecting up the front panel, you'll see from the motor, you have a red wire and a black wire. On the front panel, where the motor is connected, just here, it says motor, black and red. You have to make sure that the orientation matches the color of the lead here. If you connect those the wrong way around, what will happen is the door will go down when you press up and it will go up when you press down. Once you've got everything connected up, the batteries sit nicely and snugly, front panel over the front, and you'll see you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 with these screws. In they go. Try not to use power drivers because there is a danger that it's going to crack the plastic. Now you'll notice on here that we have the Chicken Guard self-locking door. The principle is the same for both the self-locking door and also standard up and down type doors. Now you'll notice once the batteries have been plugged in, it goes to sleep after about 10-15 seconds. So to liven it up, middle button to go into the menu. The first thing you'll see is the setup wizard. So press the middle button a second time. First requirement, set the time. So let's set it for, say, 10 o'clock in the morning, 8, 9, 10. And let's set it for, say, 10:15. And menu to confirm the minutes, and you'll see it says saved. Door calibration, really important. First things first is you need to set its fully open position. Now, we don't have an awful lot of room on this demo unit, so I will just move it up just a little bit, but you can move it in both directions. But remember, you are setting the fully open position. So press the middle button to confirm that. Press down to move the door to the fully closed position. So off you go. Down it goes. And again, you can take your finger off. Now, in the case of the locking door kit, you have to continue holding the button down until those wings come out. Middle button to confirm your closed position, and the door will then open fully automatically. Okay, next stage. So open settings, we have sensor. This will be using the light as its method to close. We could also set it on the timer. Obviously you could set, say, 6:30 in the morning. So let's do that. Middle button to confirm you want to use the timer, and you see the hours are flashing. It's on 6 already. So let's change it for 7:15. Here we go. Middle button again, saved. And the last part, close settings. So here we've got sensor, timer, and also Lux Plus. The Lux Plus is a combination of both the light sensor and also the timer. You see here it's set for 8 o'clock. Let's just change that 21:50. So 10 to 10 at night. What this means is that it will be using the light sensor as its primary method to close, but if it's not dark by 10 to 10 at night, it will then close using the timer. Great feature for the summer. And that's really it. The chicken guard is now set up and it's ready to go. If you're not sure, you can press the down button, door goes down. Thank you very much and welcome to the Chicken Guard family. If there's anything that we can do to help you set up either on the phone or email.
Number 4 Coop Controls. Crazy Sale. Number 5 Cheaper Keeper. Crazy Sale.
And it's so hard to keep those chickens safe, especially during vacations or sleeping, not to mention the hassle with the door in the mornings and evening. So who keeps your chickens safe when you can't? Cheaper Keeper, the automatic chicken coop door opener. Simply install, and Cheaper Keeper does the rest, keeping your chickens as safe as if you were there yourself. Because it opens at dawn, closes at dusk automatically. Weatherproof, predator-proof. Cheaper Keeper is the no-fuss way to give you peace of mind and the freedom to do what you need to do and still keep your chickens safe.